Where does PGDump is located? Let me show you. On my VPS, in this directory we will find PGDump. First of all, we need to update all Ubuntu packages with apt update. I should use sudo as a super user executing this command. Sudo apt install PostgreSQL client. We are installing PostgreSQL client, and I'll see PGDump is installed. How can we check it? We have to execute which PGDump. It will show the executable file directory or full path of the executable. If we run pgdump, we will see some suggestion, maybe because I have not specified any host name, database name, username and password. Let me try with help. You see, so PGDump is available to create the Postgres database backup with Postgres client. Okay.